just like it. It's very hard to say. I just like it.
Hollow of a young man's head, red is the hollow of a shadow you.
This show was born out of an independent study by director Jack Kavanaugh at Concordia University in Montreal, Quebec. The independent study was supervised by the choreographer of Cirque du Soleil's Verikai. At this point in its creation, it was primarily a dance show. This next chapter of this project is converting the show into a full, no-limits circus spectacle. We are building this show over the course of 3 months, and we'll preview the show in Brattleboro, Vermont at the New England Center for Circus Arts on August 12th. Then, we will bring the show to New Haven, Connecticut, to the beautiful Educational Center for the Arts Hall for its official premiere on August 19th and 20th. Why bring circus to New Haven? New Haven is an amazing little city with circus on the rise thanks to Air Temple Arts and the Arts and Ideas Festival for promoting circus for the past few years. With your donations, we can bring this show to fruition. This show is providing cultural growth and jobs for fresh off the factory floor circus artists. I have directed many shows before this one. None I have been more proud of.